welcome to today's video. If you are one of my all-time subscribers, thank you so much for being here. You guys know I really appreciate you guys being here. And if you are new here or just happen to click on this video, welcome. My name is Lisa, and on this channel I talk about luxury items, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, travel, and I also have a love and passion for perfume and fragrances. And recently several people have been asking me to do a few home renovation videos, so hopefully I will have those coming out soon. I have a lot of footage, but I have to figure out a way to make it all make sense and put it in some type of order, and then you can see how cray this house look. Yes, totally crazy. And if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know what I'm talking about. This house looked crazy. All right, so anyway, stay tuned for that. So anyway, today's video is going to be on a bag that I recently picked up. You guys know that I recently unboxed this beauty here on my channel. It's my newest bag, my Fendi Baguette. So I honestly haven't even carried this bag yet, so I'm going to switch out the items in the bag I'm currently using, which I've been carrying this bag a lot, mostly this bag ever since I purchased this one. This is my Dior Saddlebag. So I'm going to switch out of this bag into this beauty here, and I figured you guys could help me. So I'm going to take you along just with that, and at the end of the video I'm going to put in a few modeling shots in case anyone is interested in seeing how the bag looks carrying it as a shoulder bag, as a baguette, or crossbody. So definitely check out the end of the video for that. So anyway, let's see how these two bags compare, what they carry, and I'm gonna switch out the stuff. So currently inside of this bag, you guys know this is a smaller bag, and I don't carry a lot of stuff in my bags. I don't need to do that anymore. So I don't know, I'm a minimalist when it comes to carrying stuff in my bags. So anyway, this is how the bag looks currently. So right now inside of here I have my 6-ring Louis Vuitton key holder. And yes, I know my keys look crazy. I have all of these keys. Most people don't. One day I'm gonna have a decent amount of keys, just like 2 or 3 keys like most people, but I don't know, my life is crazy. What can I say? Yeah, I just need all those keys. What can I say? Anyway, I have my phone in here. I have some gum because we have to keep our breath nice and fresh. And then inside of this little back pocket here, the zippered pocket, I always like to have a mirror. So I have a mirror, and I also have this Target gift card that my friend here on YouTube and Instagram, Natural Luxe Diva, gave me from Target. So sweet of her. And then I also have in this pocket a Wet Ones antibacterial wipe. So, yep, have that in there. And then I also have a pair of sunnies, just because I live in Southern California. So, you know, it can always get sunny here, so have to be prepared. And these are my newest sunglasses. They are from Diff. And I really like them. I don't know, what do you guys think? So, and they didn't cost that much. So anyway, I have those in here. And then I also have my Hermes Bastia coin pouch, which keeps all of my coins in here, because I don't like to have just coins in my purse randomly in the bottom of the purse. So anyway, and then I have this little pouch here that carries these little items. So as you guys know, I've said before, I don't like to carry or have loose liquid items and makeup in my bag, just because I'm kind of paranoid that one day like the top will come off or it will leak and mess up the lining of my bag. So I always put those type of items in some other type of little pouch inside of my bag. So anyway, inside of this little pouch has a lipstick, a perfume sample, because you guys know I love my perfumes. Always got to be ready in case you have to, you know, spritz up. And I also have a lotion because my hands get dry. I'm constantly washing my hands at work because I, you know, work around a lot of germs. And then a lip pencil, a liquid lipstick, and a lip gloss. So I'm going to transfer all of these items into my new bag. And oh, I forgot the back pocket. There's a back pocket here, so it also has some headphones in it and a card from my dentist for my appointment. But anyway, I don't necessarily need that. So let's see how we can switch out all of this stuff. And oops, I dropped my lip balm. So all right, so let's see what we can fit in here. So this is the bag. It has beautiful gold hardware, a little mini strap here. It also comes with this longer strap, which is not adjustable, but you can remove it if you'd like. And you actually can remove this strap right here. So basically all of the straps are removable if you want to just carry it as a clutch or remove one or both of the straps. The inside of the bag is just open, and it has a material like cloth-like lining, and it just has one zippered pocket. So that's what the inside of the bag looks like. This is the back of the bag. There are no pockets on it. So yeah, let's get to packing it. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna put my sunglasses back in here. And then I am going to put this mirror in here because you guys know I like to have a mirror, and this Target gift card since I haven't used it yet. I'm going to put my phone in here because of course we need our phone. And then I'm gonna put this coin pouch in here for my coins. And then this gum, gotta have our gum. And then I think I'm going to carry this mini pochette. So this is one of my favorite things. It is the limited edition Louis Vuitton mini pochette in this beautiful blue color. I absolutely love this thing. So anyway, since this bag I think is slightly larger than this one, if you saw my video where I show you what fits in this Dior Saddlebag, this actually did fit in there. But, you know, I chose not to put it in here and just use this instead. But I'm going to reiterate this back into putting it into this new Fendi Baguette. So currently in here I have some wet ones. And yeah, I just like these rather than the liquid hand sanitizer just because I think it cleans better. And they're more portable, like you can just carry them anywhere. I can wipe off surfaces such as if I'm at the gas station or I want to wipe off the steering wheel, or you know, 1,000 billion people have been touching the nasty gas pump. You know, so I just think they rub off dirt and germs better than actual liquid hand sanitizer. Yeah, so anyway, I also have another lip pencil in here and a Fenty lip balm, or lip gloss rather. So I'm gonna put in my lipstick, my lotion, my lip balm, my other lip pencil, and this liquid lipstick and lip gloss, and these eye drops, and one more perfume sample. This one is Delina. I showed that on I'm gonna do a review on that perfume. Parfums de Marly Delina. So yeah, I will be doing a review on that fragrance soon, so stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna put this mini pochette in here. Right there. So far, so that's what we're looking like. And then the only other thing I need are these. I'm gonna put these headphones in this little pouch that I found. So I think they are a perfect fit. Put those right there in back of the mini pochette. And then put this freaking keys in here. So like I said, one day I'm going to have just a normal amount of keys like a regular person, but until then, yeah, I just have too many keys. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. And then it closes by this magnetic clasp, and that's what she looks like, all nice and closed. So yep, there she is. I don't feel she's overstuffed. She's not heavy. She carries all of that, just everything that I need. And this bag is just really squishy and pliable, and it allows you to put, you know, even more things in it if you need to. It's very flexible and soft and squishy leather, so I absolutely love it. So now that I have her all packed, I can finally take her out on the town and get to wearing her. So I'm really, really excited. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video and helping me pack my bag. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you'd like to see modeling shots, if you're interested in that. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. I wanted to give you guys a few modeling shots so you can see how the bag looks while I'm wearing it. And I am 5'4" for reference. So here's the bag as I am wearing it as a shoulder bag. It comes just about, the bottom of the bag comes just about to my lower hip bone right here. I hope the lighting is okay in here. And the top of the bag comes about a little bit above the top of my hip bone. So that's what it looks like as a shoulder bag. Remember, the strap is not adjustable. And then if I wear it crossbody, it does come up a little bit higher, but honestly, this doesn't really bother me, mostly because the bag is pretty flexible and squishy, so it's not really a stiff bag and it doesn't cut into anything. So, you know, it's very comfortable to wear it like this, actually. Or if I push it a little bit more to the back, you know, it looks like that. It wears very comfortably. If you're obviously a little bit taller than me, this will come up a little bit higher, so not sure how that will work. And then if I wanted to wear it baguette style, just over my shoulder with a smaller strap, that's how it looks. So this strap is not all that long. It hits a little bit right here under my armpit, and you know, but it's actually comfortable because, like I said, the bag is very squishy and soft, so it's not a very structured bag, and it kind of conforms to your body, so it's not cutting into anything or digging into anything. So anyway, that is the modeling shots, and I just wanted to show you guys that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you here as part of my family. I do have a few more videos coming up, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great weekend, you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.